this is Barrett, Engineering Manager at CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the 80mm performance exhaust for the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. Just a few years ago, CorkSport introduced the performance catback exhaust for the Mazda 3 in a 60.5mm variant. We know since then that a few of you have been looking for more volume out of your exhaust, so we brought together the 80mm exhaust system. The goal of increasing the volume of the Mazda 3 exhaust isn't just about increasing the diameter of the pipe. We went back to the drawing board, revised the resonators to try to bring that volume down into a tolerable level, but give you an overall louder performing exhaust. Like every CorkSport performance exhaust system, the entire system is manufactured from T304 stainless steel, TIG welded flanges and joints for a premium finish, and of course fully polished. Buttoning up the rear of the hatchback are 4-inch double wall slant cut tips, and for the sedan is an OE style fitment of single wall 4-inch tips. Lastly, what would a performance exhaust be without performance gains? We threw the car on the dyno and picked up 5 wheel horsepower on an otherwise stock car. When adding a louder exhaust to your Mazda 3, NVH and cabin noise may increase as a result. It's important to consider this before making a purchase. Thanks for taking the time to check out the 80mm catback performance exhaust for the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. This is Barrett, tuning out.